broken
Lunch.
My plan is gone. Cause I wanted to go to a warehouse to find camping tools, but I lost. No, I mean I don't have a key. My mother has a key, but I don't live with my mother, so yeah, change the planning. Yeah, go for a walk. Yeah, today's so nice, warm. Sounds great, right? Oh yeah. Yeah. I came to Dorman Park. How many times I came here? This close my town. Yeah. But today's so nice. Oh yeah. Always good place. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's windy. Do you know? Oh. Oh yeah, it's but breakfast. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. Today, I'm gonna go outlet mall with my mother, sister, and nieces. I got high fever. Our lives. Enjoy. Sakura flop. Sakura latte. Yeah, so many people. Oh, brunch. Good morning. Today, I don't want. I won't do anything. Not going to the gym. Yeah, so I just wanna go to second hand shop, maybe. Yeah, to see the camping tools. I won't buy, but just I wanna see that if there is useful something and cheap, yeah, I'm gonna buy. Yeah, I just wanna see, right? Let's go. I couldn't find any good tool. Yeah, it's okay. Anyways, yeah, it's a lot, right? I don't have enough money. I want a table, but yeah, maybe later I'll buy the other, but I have to work. Oh yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna sit ups right now. Today's dinner. Yakisoba. Oh yeah. Lunch. Early dinner. Beef time. Misato. Oh yeah, it's 5 p.m. It's okay. But always say, haha.
その割にいまいちだったんだよな、これ。
It's so bad. I know. I'm gonna work out hard from tomorrow. Thanks.
Oh yeah. So bad.
Good morning. I don't regret about yesterday. Oops. Yeah. Usual. I'm sorry. It's annoying to make dinner. Today I don't want to do anything, so just, yeah. Easy dinner. Cooking time. It's cabbage, chili, pork. Done. Add spring onion and egg. Like this. Oh yeah. Today, I'm gonna go to hairdresser. Look. Yeah. I wanna. I have to. I've just been to. Like this. It's good. Oh yeah. Dinner. Usual. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've got this table. Actually, yeah. it's not what I wanted. A table. I bought the other. It's okay. Yeah. I changed my mind. It's so useful. And I got this knife. I can make fire. I can do anything. Yeah, anyways. Oh yeah. Hey, listen guys. I've got a tent and sleeping bag from warehouse. I was surprised. Oh my god. You know, my family has got. Oh, thank you so much. Oh yeah. Like that. Anyways, yeah. I can go camping. But not right now, you know. Maybe 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later. Yeah, I can go soon. But yeah, I've been searching about it. Yeah. Just wait it. Yeah. I'm so excited. You know what I mean? Just, yeah. Yeah, I've been studying how to make fire, how to do from YouTube, like that. So yeah, take it easy. But if you are interested, please wait for me and watch my vlog. Yeah, so next time I'm gonna set up a Tendo. Yeah. So let's do that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. Well, see you next time.